Hello everyone, and welcome to this informative video where we'll be discussing essential first aid tips focusing particularly on how to perform CPR as a layperson. My name is Natasha Moore and I am a registered nurse with a master's degree and a specialization in medical and surgical practices. Today my goal is to share valuable knowledge that can empower you to take action in emergencies. First, let's talk about the importance of knowing first aid. Being equipped with the basic first aid knowledge can make a significant difference in critical situations. Emergencies can happen anywhere and to anyone, whether it's a loved one, a friend, or even a stranger. Knowing how to respond can save lives, and it can also help you feel more confident in handling unexpected situations. Now let's dive into CPR. Our cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which is a life-saving technique used when someone's heart stops beating or when they stop breathing. It's critical to act quickly because the chances of survival decreases with every minute that passes. Before we begin, it's important to note that CPR has two main components: chest compressions and rescue breaths. However, if you're not trained or unsure about giving rescue breaths, it's perfectly okay to perform hands-on CPR, which involves just chest compressions. Hands-on CPR is effective and can help maintain blood flow until professional help arrives. This first step is to ensure the scene is safe for you and the victim. Look around and make sure there is no potential dangers such as oncoming traffic, electrical hazards, or anything else that could pose a risk. Once you confirm it's safe, approach the individual to assess their condition. Check responsiveness by gently shaking their shoulders and asking if they are okay. If they don't respond, call for help immediately. If you're alone, call emergency services or ask someone else to do so while you attend to the victim. Next, assess their breathing. Look, listen, and feel for any signs of breathing for about 10 seconds. If they are not breathing or only gasping, it's time to start CPR. If they are breathing normally, you should place them in the recovery position and monitor their condition until help arrives. Now let's go into the actual steps of performing CPR. First, you need to position the person correctly. Place them on their back on a firm, flat surface. Next, kneel beside them and place the heel of one hand on the center of their chest, which is located between the nipples. Let's also add the heel of your other hand on top of the first hand, interlocking your fingers. Ensure your shoulders are directly over your hands and keep your elbows straight. You want to use your body weight to push down hard and fast. Aim for a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute, which is about the same tempo as the popular song Staying Alive by the Bee Gees. The depth of the compression should be about 2 inches. After 30 compressions, you need to perform 2 rescue breaths if you are trained. If you're not comfortable with giving breaths, just continue with chest compressions. Remember, it's better to do something than nothing at all. If you are performing rescue breaths, first ensure the airway is open. You can achieve this by tilting the person's head back slightly while lifting their chin. Pinch the nose shut, take a normal breath, and seal your lips around theirs to create a tight seal. Breathe into their mouth until you see their chest rise. This should take about 1 second. After giving the first breath, give another one in the same manner. Continue the cycle of 30 chest compressions, followed by 2 rescue breaths until emergency personnel arrive or the person shows signs of life, such as coughing or breathing normally. If you're physically exhausted and can't continue, don't hesitate to ask bystanders for assistance or just stick to hands-only CPR. It's also crucial to remember that everyone can perform CPR regardless of their training level. You are not alone when you find yourself in an emergency situation. Many communities offer first aid and CPR training sessions that can give you hands-on practice. I strongly encourage you to take advantage of such opportunities as they help build confidence and improve your skills. Lastly, be mindful of the laws in your area regarding Good Samaritan protections. Many places have laws that protect individuals who act in good faith to provide aid during emergencies. Ensure you're informed about these laws, as they can give you additional confidence to help when needed. In conclusion, knowing how to perform CPR can potentially save lives. It's a simple yet powerful skill that can make a huge difference in emergencies. So remember the importance of assessing the scene, checking for responsiveness, calling for help, and knowing the steps to perform chest compressions and rescue breaths if needed. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found this information helpful and feel empowered to take action in emergencies. Stay safe and remember that your knowledge and readiness can help others during their times of need.